How to make quiz videos for YouTube in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to make quiz videos for your YouTube using Canva. So first of all, just simply open your Canva account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. Just make sure that you have Canva Pro subscription with you in order to make quiz videos for your YouTube account. And once you're there, just simply go to the search bar and search for quiz over there. And after that, you will be able to see a bunch of different templates for the quiz videos that you can use and create your particular quiz videos that you would want to create. So since you're creating quiz videos for YouTube, just make sure that you're choosing the template with the size 1609, which will make the appearance of your quiz video quite professional in the YouTube. So so just simply scroll down and select the template that you like the most. So for example, I'm liking this particular template right here. Just simply select the template, and after that just simply click on customize this template, and the settings of this particular template will open up. And after that you can make the changes in the video or that has been showing in your timeline. So in order to make the changes in the slide, just simply click on the text that has been written over here, and after that just remove the existing question and change it with the question that you would want to add in the particular quiz. And similarly, you can also change the options of the quiz that has been appearing on the screen. And after that you can also add similar slides just clicking on the three dot icon, and after that just simply click on duplicate page. And you can also repeat the process again and again in order to make the number of pages or the question that you would want to add in the video. And once you're there, after that just simply make the changes in the questions and add the question of your liking. And once you're done adding the questions and the number of question as per your liking, just simply click on the play section from the top right corner of the screen and see if everything looks fine. And after that you can also change the timing or the animation and the appearance of the quiz. Just simply click on the timer section from the top of the screen, and after that you can hover the speed bar and just select the speed of your liking. And once you're done doing that, just simply click on the share icon from the top right corner of the screen, and from there just simply download the video in your device. And after that just simply go to your YouTube account and upload this particular quiz within an appropriate thumbnail. So that's how you do it. So this is basically how you will be able to make quiz video for YouTube in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.